So now we're gonna we're gonna do we're gonna do the bob haircut. So when we're doing this bob haircut, it's important here. I just sectioned it, but how high should I go for this bob haircut? Should I go? Yeah, I'm gonna go here quite short, but this is too high or is it too lower? Will this haircut will be enough to go on top of that hair? Because the haircut is gonna come like this. It's gonna be sitting on here. So sometimes people, they will cut this hair, all of this short, and eventually it can be too short. It's a little bit hair is on top. So my suggestion is occipital bone here. This section should be there, not here, should be there. I have sectioned it here if all the hair was coming down to here like above. But if this is going to be short, undercut is going to be short, then don't go too high. You should be around here, occipital bone. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to take another section like this and take from occipital bone like this. And take another section like this. So you'll be surprised how much this is going to make the difference when you start cutting this hair. So now when we're cutting this hair, it's really important. Make sure standing up, check very well if this hair is balanced, if some hair is a little bit higher than the other, if some corner, if little bit is going to go up, make sure this is perfect, nice and straight. Now, you can do several different ways. Take all the hair and cut it. Don't be worried about it when you're cutting the hair. Absolutely no worry about it. Now you already can see my guideline. Now if I'm going to go this hair to make it even more easier for you, I can already see my guideline here. So when we cut the guideline, you can already see it's perfectly in shape, it's perfectly in line. Francis, yesterday I did speak to Graham. Graham is only here as well. Thank you very much for watching us. Both my teacher, Graham, and Francis is both here. Lovely to see you both. So after we cut this one here, now you can either hold the hair to go for the graduation this way, or you can do scissors over comb. And now I'm doing exactly the same way. After we've done that, if you're happy, with this length is here, absolutely this is fine. If you want to go any more shorter, again, this is up to you. After that, okay. After that, what we're gonna do here is something is very simple. So I'm gonna come and take my finger and cut this half away. Can you see? It's like it's just coming half away. It's just here. The hair is just here. Now, I'm gonna go cut all this section here. Take it as a 45 degree. My guideline is the previous guideline and just cut on top of that. Now, already you can see the shape. It's just the way it's going. Already you can see the shape. Now, if I try to bring all this hair down, try to not go too fast, too quick. Sometimes you may need this hair. It's crucial that this hair you may need it. So for that reason, I will take a little bit vertical and cut this hair gently, and leave this hair now longer. So now you can see the shape already is getting there. Now at the same time, I'm going to come to this side, follow the hair. You can see my guidelines is here. The guidelines is here. If I take this little bit guideline, you can see it's there. So I'll take it. I can see my guideline now, it's going well. Just make sure, because if the foundation is just right, after that the whole hair is going to fall nicely. If the foundation is wrong, everything is going to go wrong. So now I'm going to go to cut tiny bit more, and now the foundation is just right. So after that, I'm going to take half of this hair, bring it down, and take this hair 45 degree angle and cut it. 45 degree angle. And cut it. Now, one of the biggest mistake we do, we turn, when the fingers is here, naturally it is coming down like this. But when we come into the side here, it's naturally it's coming down. So you finger like this, like that. And that is make huge difference when you cut in the hair. So make sure you put the head down slightly, and you bring the hair just like that, and you cutting it, your finger like this. So that way, the both side of the hair, it will be exactly the same. So you wouldn't be one side flicking out and one side is coming in. So both sides is going to be perfectly same. And now we go in this part. You know, I say to leave it this section away. Don't cut this section. And now we're going to bring all this hair and it's already looked amazing. Look at that. The shape already is really taking off great. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this hair here. One of the most important parts when I'm cutting the bob, I take the hair just slightly down like this. So when I bring this hair down, I check my hair. First of all, it's very important you to go a little bit backward diagonal. That is very important when you're connecting the bob together. Now, The one of the very important part is his hair. Just leave natural and cut it natural. Don't stress yourself. Don't push yourself too much, and you will see the hair is nicely going down. Look at that. It's simple as that. Now, take the hair behind the ears and bring this hair and bring it, and nicely, gently cut it. After you've done that, bring this hair, tap it gently, bring down nicely, tap it gently, and then just cut the edge. That's it. And now, what I say is, always, if you don't see your guideline, don't cut the hair. So make sure you always see your guideline before you cut any hair. So now, I'm going to bring this one here, and I can see my guidelines is absolutely this is here. I'm going to now go for point cut, so the top section to be a bit more softer. And again, this one here, because this is natural fall, I'm not going to tap it behind the ears. But once I come down here, I'm going to bring this one just like this. I'm going to tap it, and then here, just gently take this one here. And exactly the same other side as well, and that way your hair is done and finished. When I come with final result, I'm going to just texturize the hair with scissors, point cut scissors like this. After I texturized it, I blow dry it and straighten it, then you're going to see the full result. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks for you. Any comment you're going to make, please share it, like it with many people. By the way, I have Graham, my teacher from Bourneville. I spoke to him after 15 years. He was watching me here, and hopefully he's going to hear this one. Happy Christmas to you, and thank you very much for being a kind teacher. And also Francis from Northern Ireland, she was in Bourneville College as well. Thank you very much, Francis. You're both wonderful people. And Amanda, everybody who's been there, Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you all. Thank you, and take care. Bye-bye.